everyone, welcome back to my channel. Get ready because today we're diving into the world of makeup for different face shapes. It's gonna be epic. You know I'm passionate about makeup, and one of the biggest things I've learned is that understanding your face shape is like finding the key to unlocking a whole new level of beauty. Seriously, it can totally transform your makeup game. So whether you're a beginner or a total pro, stick around because I'm going to break down everything you need to know. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be rocking your makeup like never before. All right, my round-faced beauties, let's talk about how to accentuate those gorgeous curves. When it comes to contour, imagine drawing a 3 on each side of your face. Start from your forehead along your temples and blend that shade just below your cheekbones, and then sweep it down towards your jawline. This creates amazing definition. Now let's grab that highlighter and focus on the center of your forehead, right down the bridge of your nose, and on the high points of your cheekbones. And for blush, apply it slightly above the apples of your cheeks, blending it upwards towards your temples. Trust me, this will give you a gorgeous lifted look. Oval-faced babes, you have the most versatile face shape. You can rock pretty much any makeup look. But hey, even perfection can use a little enhancement, right? For contouring, lightly sweep a cool toned shade just below your cheekbones and along your jawline to subtly define those features. Then grab your highlighter and apply it down the bridge of your nose, on the Cupid's bow, and on the high points of your cheekbones. This will accentuate your natural bone structure and give you that radiant glow. My square-faced beauties, you have such a strong and striking bone structure. The goal here is to soften any harsh angles and create a more harmonious look. Contouring along your temples, hairline, and the corners of your jawline can really make a difference. And when it comes to highlighting, focus on the center of your forehead, the bridge of your nose, and the center of your chin. This will draw attention to the center of your face and create a beautiful balance. For blush, apply it in a circular motion on the apples of your cheeks to create a soft, rounded effect. Heart-shaped faces, you have the cutest widow's peak. To balance the width of your forehead, apply contour along your hairline, temples, and gently down the sides of your nose. Now let's highlight. Apply it down the center of your forehead, under your eyes, and on the center of your chin. This will brighten up the center of your face and create the illusion of a more balanced look. For blush, apply it slightly below the apples of your cheeks and blend it upwards towards your temples. My long-faced lovelies, let's add some width and create the illusion of a shorter face. Contour along your hairline and jawline, but instead of bringing the contour down, blend it horizontally. This will help to visually shorten the length of your face. For highlighting, focus on the center of your forehead, under your eyes, and on the center of your chin. This will draw the eye inwards and create the illusion of a wider face. When it comes to blush, apply it horizontally across the apples of your cheeks, blending it slightly upwards towards your temples. Diamond faces, you have those gorgeous prominent cheekbones. To balance your face shape, we're going to focus on minimizing the width of your cheekbones and highlighting the narrower areas. Contour just below your cheekbones, blending upwards towards your temples. This will help to soften the angles and create a more oval appearance. Now let's highlight. Apply it down the center of your forehead, under your eyes, and on the center of your chin. This will brighten up the center of your face and draw attention to your amazing features. For blush, apply it slightly below the apples of your cheeks and blend it upwards towards your temples. And there you have it, my loves. We've covered all the basic tips and tricks for makeup application for every face shape. Remember, makeup is all about experimentation and finding what works best for you. So don't be afraid to play around with these techniques and adapt them to your unique features. Most importantly, have fun with it. Makeup should be a form of self-expression, so embrace your individuality and rock those beautiful faces with confidence. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing makeup content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!